Welcome to class, everyone. Today we will be learning how to make inferences. While I lecture, you can go ahead and take some notes, in which I provided you with paper and pencils on the table. So to start off, I'll go ahead and read the objective. Today you will be able to make an inference based on text clues by using the it says, I say, and so model. To further explain what an inference is, it's a prediction of what is going to happen based on text clues. Inferences allow us to be insightful and build our analytical skills. Moving on, I'll go ahead and demonstrate a chant for you. So we'll learn this chant that way we better understand how to make an inference. So to the chant, there are 3 parts. The first part, I will ask a question, and then after I ask a question, we will clap. And then you will all respond. So let's practice the clap together. Watch me first, and then after we will practice as a group. So the clap goes like this. Now let's try it as a group. 1, 2, 3. Good job. So then, now that you know the clap, I will read the question. Then once I read the question, we will all clap together, and then we will all respond. So to start off, we'll practice the first part. Question number 1 is, what do we need?
To make an inference.
Good job. Now we're going to go ahead and start from the very beginning, and we'll do each of these 3 parts. Okay. What do we need?
To make an inference.
How do we support it?
With text clues.
How do we conclude it?
With a prediction.
Good job, everyone. So then moving on, I'm going to explain what the it says, I say, and so model is. This model will help you make inferences on your own based on looking at the textual evidence from the book. So for the first part, it says is what does the text say and summarize it. So in this portion, you're going to be looking at the textual evidence from the book and writing a summary of it. For the I say portion, it's what does the information in the text mean to you. So you're going to write what do you think based on the textual evidence. Then for the so part, this is where you make your own inference. So after looking at the textual evidence and thinking about what you think, you're going to make a prediction about the text. So then we're going to go ahead and use an example from the book. Can I get a volunteer to go ahead and read the passage from the book? Carmina?
It was 7 minutes after midnight. The dog was lying on the grass in the middle of the lawn in front of Mrs. Shear's house. Its eyes were closed. It looked as if it was running on its side, the way dogs run when they think they were chasing a cat in a dream.
Good job. Thank you for reading that out loud. So now, I passed out some papers for you, and we're going to break it up into 3 parts. So you're going to go ahead and fold it long ways like this into 3 parts. And then for each of the 3 boxes, they're going to have its own label. So the first portion is it says. The second part is I say, and the third part is so. So now, on your own, you're going to go ahead and look back at the text that we just read together, and you're going to go ahead and fill in each of these little blank spots. So just as a reminder, the it says portion is textual evidence. The I say portion is what you think about the textual evidence, and the so portion is your prediction. Go ahead and take a few minutes to work on that. And if you have any questions, feel free to raise your hand. Alrighty, we'll go ahead and wrap it up. Can I get a volunteer to read what they put down for the it says portion? Camina?
It was lying on the grass with its eyes closed.
Good job. So that's the textual evidence. Camila said that her evidence was that the dog was lying on the grass with its eyes closed. Can I get a volunteer to say what they put for the I say portion? Go ahead, Ashna.
It's sleeping or it's dead.
So you think it's either sleep or it's dead? Good job. Now, can I get a volunteer for the so portion? Yes, Emma.
It's dead.
Is that your prediction? Good job. So today, like I said, we learned how to make an inference. So an inference is a prediction based on the textual evidence. And because you were able to use the it says, I say, and so portion, you were able to combine both textual evidence and then reflect on what you think about it and form a prediction. Thank you.